Today is the day that the windows are getting framed out and wrapped, as well as the fascia.
Córteme la maderita del cariño.
All right, if you have not noticed, what they're doing now is they are framing out the windows, and they are using aluminum, rolled aluminum, to actually wrap the window sills and the one by framing around the windows and the doors, so that way the siding could later be put on and the J channel just butts up right against it. And so here in the next portion, you're going to see the machine that he uses to kind of do all the bending. And so he measures everything, and it comes in a 50-foot roll, and he'll use this machine right here to kind of bend it according to the measurements that he Ricardo, you make gutters out of that? You don't make gutters, do you?
Gutter?
You buy gutters, not make that.
Oh, see, I needed it. Buy.
But you don't,
This is in the car.
but you don't make gutters with that. No gutters.
No.
You just buy them.
This is in the different.
Okay. Sticker too.
This is in the car.
Okay.
This is put in the machine.
Yeah.
Y later this is un roll, pero little roll is maybe 12 inch. Put in the machine later is
Oh, okay.
different.
Got you.
This is only the
Soffit, fascia.
The fascia y por the window.
Okay. All right, you all. So this is where we found out that the other guys from part 1 and 2 did not install this portion. So that plywood under the bottom, which is called the soffit, is so heavy that it started making the fascia start drooping. So we got to get that taken down. We got to get it replaced. And that's more money, that's more time. And so also found out that the nails that they used were like finishing nails, like the thinner nails instead of the thicker. So he's showing me how it should be done here.
Ese es for here. Put it two nails or screw. It's more better screw. Later, put it the fascia. Fascia. It's more strong. Then the bottom. This is
Soffit. Plywood.
Soffit or
they don't have this. That's not there, right?
Yeah, no.
It's not one of these. It's just that and that.
Yeah, you know only little piece in the bottom only. No, this is you got it.
Right.
You got it here. There is little piece.
That's
It.
That's what's up there now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Es no mucho. Eso es plywood.
And of course, that means now I have to get it fixed. I'd rather get it fixed and have it done the right way, which are now being done with 2x6s, which gives it a little bit more support on the 1/2-inch plywood that's hanging below it, right? And so he went around and did that on the front, on the back, the left and right was still good because it was actually attached to the overhanging eaves. And so if you take a look at this is how it was done. Of course, he pried it off. So, but look at the 2x2s. The 2x2s is there. It will be good. And look at those nails. Ooh, they are so thin. But 2x2s would have been great had I not wanted the 1/2-inch plywood. If we were just putting aluminum right to it. But nonetheless, I'm glad that he was skilled enough to notice that. So we could go ahead and get all of that switched out right away.
I got all these dreams bottled up in my thoughts. I'm trying to let them loose. Never been the one to get lost, running in leather boots. I'm stomping territory, arrogance just better for me. I know the future bright, the present just a scary story. I'm showing no fear, the chosen road's here. The hope is froze here, be ready when the road's clear. And I've been getting the ball more. I pass it all around the team cause it's called for, we all score. Is it hard to stay when you're far away? Is it hard to stay? Look, Everybody I love with me, that's just how I see it. Be the one that can run quickly, I just gotta be it. Gotta believe it, one foot in front of the other. I seen people lose hope and they never recovered. I seen people with no idea what they want out of life. I seen people that have regret and give trouble advice. I function in spite of whoever tell me I can't. I focus on who support me, don't care about who ain't. I'm patient but move with urgency, daily get to it. These never ending obstacles taking me through it, but making me strong.